So the mining and mineral industry is one of the industries which directly affects the development in other industries like manufacturing, construction and energy. So requirement of skilled manpower is very crucial.
Actually, we have a good collaboration with the industry partners. In the same lieu, we have a very good connection with the Beamer. It's a multinational company, mostly dealing with the mining as well as mineral excavations as well as cement technology. So in this context, they have connected with us.
We are starting with a industry elective course, which is element in mineral and material handling equipment.
We are going to teach our students from the 5th semester to the 8th semester. In this group, 3 school students are involved: civil, electrical and mechanical students.
We will be delivering theoretical and practical exposure of different equipments like crushers, conveyors and many other equipments.
The purpose of collaboration is to collaborate with the industry, and we need to know what the industry wants.
Those students who are opting for this particular course will be also having internship at the site of Humor Group. Who have interest in mining and mineral equipment, they must go for this course so that they will have a great career.